Annyeonghaseyo, Brianna and Mercy.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, earlier, Kirix has delivered and 2 trays eggs and 2 packs chokes to go each of you. And this is given by
Soyong.
okay. And also 1,000 pesos pocket money for you each of you.
Soyong Pelnim Kamsamida.
And what is our feeling?
Happy.
Mercy? Ano sa feeling ni mo natagaan ko? Again and again, ha?
Happy.
Very happy, no? Anya? Ano sa atong buhaton? Study hard, no? Mag-study hard lang kita, ha? Okay? Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Uncle Soyong Pelnim Kamsamida.
Okay, sagot na kao na. Mercy, kao na. Okay. Yung, kao sa deliver.
Ma.
Kao, iki ay.
Ma.
Okay.
Koy
Kinukur ko na.
Koy.
Gi ka na, gi. Yes, kinago na.
Annyeonghaseyo, good evening. So you filming Kamsamida for the eggs and the chokes to go. Okay, we will eat now for our dinner. Okay, we will start eating. Sabi lagi. Ito ba ko siya? Ay. Plato, sad.
Kumpul. Ako na siya nilagay.
Hindi ko po. Okay, bye-bye.
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 My pretty.
Annyeonghaseyo, KitKat.
Annyeonghaseyo, teacher my friend.
Now you have to multiplication. This is a second time nga mag-multiplication ka. Ha? Ready na? 9 times 3.
27.
4 times 3.
12.
8 times 6.
48.
9 times 2.
18.
3 times 6.
18.
8 times 7.
56.
7 times 4.
28.
8 times 2.
18. Ay,
Sayop. One mistake ha. 6 times 4.
24.
9 times 7.
63.
Very good. Pero, napay usa ka sayop. Pero very good na na siya. Okay na siya. Bye-bye, KitKat. Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Good evening, L2. Now you have to memorize a poem about education.
Education of poet. Education is the key to unlock your destiny. It's open your mind to wonder you can find. Education is the light that guides you through. The night that helps you see the truth and make the best of your youth. Education is power that makes you grow and lower. It gives you skills. Confident, it prepares you for excellence. Education of poet. Education is the key to unlock the destiny. It opens up your mind to the wonders you can find. Education is the light that guides you through the night. It helps you see the truth and make the best of your youth. Education is the power that makes you grow and lower. It gives you skills and confidence and prepares you for excellence.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Good morning, L3, morning session. Then we have to read the antonyms and synonyms. Start with LJ.
Antonyms is a word that means the opposite, nearly the opposite of another word.
Pasabot ana is like for example, believe. Then, sa basa na LJ. Doubt. Ang believe kay pagtuo. Doubt, pagduda. Ha? Next is full. Kana busog ba full? Then human empty, walay sulod. Ha? Ha, sabot?
Yes.
Kanang opposite siya ba? Kanang lahi o kanang mid-eye. Or for example, after na before. Ang sa may after, April? Na before. Ha? After. Before first, before na. After. Before, like for example, wala pa na siya kanang decoration. Then after ana, na yung mga decoration. Mana siya opposite meaning. Ha? Next, synonyms.
Synonym is a word that means the same or almost the same as another word.
Pasabot ana, pareha na siya meaning. Lahi lang siya word na gigamit. Like for example, beautiful, gorgeous. Unsa may pasabot ana beautiful? Guapa. Na gorgeous, guapa pod. Di ba? Big, dako, large, dako. Pasabot ra, wala ray question?
Yes, sure.
Ha? Goodbye.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, you read your own sentences about 2 or more sentences in each word. Okay, number 1, clock. Okay, start.
The clock is ringing and it's so noisy because that time I will wake up that early in the morning.
Omar.
The color of the clock is white and in the lunch time the clock is ringing. The clock was helping to wake up and the people to go to the school. The clock is broken because I throw a solid thing.
Okay, very good. Number 2, watch.
Sure, watch. My family and I watch TV in the living room, and my family and I watch KMGS, and I'm so scared that time.
Okay. Omar.
I watch TV in the classroom, and in the afternoon, my teacher discuss in the TV. My mother and sister are watching in the TV. I'm watching TV all the time with my favorite shows.
Wow. Okay, number 3, bedroom.
I have a bedroom and I will decorate all pink and I will put my bodies in Binny. Like his name is Binny.
Okay, very good.
My bedroom is so clean and I play Roblox in the nighttime and my brother and me is playing toys in my bedroom. The bedroom was helping the person because the person starts so she laying down in the bedroom.
Okay.
I sleep early in my bedroom because I wake up early to go to school.
Whoa, very good. Next, vacation.
My family and I went to the Boracay to take a bath and picture the view, the sunset. We was so happy that time.
Okay, very good.
Me and my brother is in vacation and we're swimming in the pool. Me and my family were vacation to the province because my grandfather is there. We will have a vacation next year.
Okay, number 5, playground.
My brother and my sister playing in the playground. They are very happy and me watching them. I'm so happy for them. We play my brother and cousin in the playground, and we slide in the playground just like. Me and my friends is playing in the playground, and my sister going.
Okay, Sanaisa. Playground number 5.
Me and my brother and my big brother, I am playing in the playground.
Okay, very good.
Beach.
Number 6, beach.
I will go to the beach because I like it because it's so hot. So I will go to the beach. Last
Okay.
Monday, my mother decided to go
Ayun, tabunin na ang bangga. Ayan na.
in the beach. We swim, and my sister and my brother. My mother and my family were going to the beach. Me and my family are swimming in the beach.
Next,
Travel.
travel.
I will travel to the Boracay because I like to travel because it's so hot in my house.
Okay.
My cousin traveled in the America and he gave me 100 to buy some.
Ay!
My mother and my family is going to the travel and my family is so very happy.
Okay.
My aunt traveling in Japan, she will work there.
Oy, ka very good ni Ganesa Naisa. Okay.
My family celebrate my birthday and I'm so happy that day because that is my special day. Me and my family go to the market to buy.
Okay, start. Nag-toothbrush mo ka gani ha. Dili lang diri ra mag-toothbrush ha dito sa inyo ha sa balay ha.